Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get battery health on HONOR MagicBook. You need to go to the start button, then start searching for command or you can just type in CMD. It'll show you the command prompt and click on run as administrator. It is really important to do that. Now you can just click on type in power CFG slash space and then slash battery report without a space, of course, and then you can click on enter and it'll tell you the path. So this is our path. So what we need to do is go to the file explorer. Now go to this PC, local disk C, as it said, the C, so it'll be C, then Windows, System 32, and now we should find the file. You can also go to the search and search for battery, then it will find it, and I can double click on it, and it will show me the battery report. And what it says in the battery report, there are multiple things that it says. For example, my design capacity, full charge capacity, and the cycle count. So now I'm gonna explain it. The design capacity is the capacity that is supposed to be here by the factory. And the full charge capacity is the capacity that is actually available for your batteries. So after years it'll be degrading, it'll be a bit lower. So for example, 100% of your battery, instead of being the 55.2 55,000 milliwatt hours, instead of that it'll be, for example, 50,000 or 45,000, but you can see I have cycle count 3, and actually my full charge capacity is a bit higher, but it's not a large value, so there's a chance that it's just mistaken, because it always has this error of like a few hundred milliwatt hours, which it can mistake. But also there's just a chance that it may be true. But yes, this is also my recent usage, so I can know how fast does the battery drop. So I can see here that, for example, today at an hour after midnight, I believe, it had 99%. Then I started using it, I believe, around the 1 p.m. So it had 97, and now it had, when I generated the report, it had 61. So this is about your battery health. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.